The system could also bring some snow to the foothills, and that means possible power outages.
Our coverage continues now with CBS 13's Tori Apodaca live in Grass Valley with how PG&E and people there are getting ready. Tori.
That's right, you guys. The rain here has been consistent since around 2 p.m., but it's just been intensifying on us. The wind also coming and going in big gusts. Right now, you are looking at Highway 49. You can see a line of cars ready to get off of the highway there. But most people we talk with ready to hunker down.
We both work together. We both split wood. We both stack it up. And then when he helps me bring it in the house.
Terry Molina, no stranger to stocking up for snowstorms.
This is the wood that I bring in. It's all dry, ready to go in the fireplace.
1 year ago, snow filled the Nevada City streets, piling on roofs and toppling trees.
Oh, last year we lost 13 trees between both of us. They just split in half because they were top heavy.
And now, the severest storm we've seen this season is here.
We are responsible for plowing 236 miles of road throughout Nevada County, both the eastern and western side.
Nevada County's road services ready to plow every route every 12 hours with its road graders.
Nice and tight in. We often are asked by first responders for assistance because they know we have snow cap.
PG&E spokesperson Paul Moreno says crews are working 16-hour days to restore power to every last customer if an outage occurs. But downed trees could cause delays.
It takes longer to work under those conditions, but we do persevere.
So residents need to be ready to go without heat and without power, light, telecommunications for at least 72 hours.
Nevada County and Truckey's Office of Emergency Services are working together to have warming shelters ready.
If you get some firewood ready, check your propane levels, check your generator.
I'm not anxious for the snow right now, but if it comes, it's good. It'll be fine.
So PG&E says it prepares for these types of storms year-round, pruning trees near power lines and also replacing any equipment that is needed. Obviously, it's not snowing here yet, but Nevada County is saying if you are worried about your roof, as we saw some collapses from last year's storms, to reach out to the building department to go ahead and help you out. But of course, if you don't need to travel or be outside in these conditions, just don't do so because it's going to be getting a lot more dangerous coming up through this weekend.